Alright, welcome back everybody. I haven't filmed myself for ages actually, so thought I'd better say hello. Out tonight, it's a lovely evening. It's been raining all day since I finished work, so I thought I'd pop out for a couple of hours on the same field as I was on last time. So the signs are really good on the first target now, so I'll give you a show of that, show you what it is. And it's this 1957. Now I don't know, it's a half crown this. I've never found one of these before. Shame that's not silver. So Queen Elizabeth, there we go, it's a first for me. Now I don't know if this was a fake or not. I'll have to have a look in my book, whether this was meant to be silver and it's a counterfeit, but I don't think so. I presume that's how it's meant to be. But that's another one off my bucket list anyway. A little beauty. I'm loving this field. There's a cracking field, this. There's a lot of cow tubes and that on it, but never mind. That's a cracking start, that is. Okay. Right, this is my next find. Not a clue again what this thing is, but there we go. If you know what that is, drop us a comment. Okay. Alright, next to that other find we got this one, reading a solid 75. I'm not sure if that's a spindle wall or if it's an old lead weight. Not sure on that one, but like I've said, I don't mind finding stuff like this. You know, it shows good age to the field, shows there's been people here, and it's all history at the end of the day. So there we go. Right, well this one's definitely a spindle wall. Looks like it's got a nice little pattern on it as well. I'd love to find a really highly decorated one of these. I really would. I love them. I think they're great. And that's got a bit of detail on it. I've dug a lot of lead from this little patch I'm on now. So, good signs, good signs. And there we go. Looks like it's going to clean up nice, that. Okay. We got another spindle wall. That's 3 now. All quite close to each other as well. Now, I don't think I've ever found that many on a hunt before. There we go. Where's all the hammies? That's what I want to know. Come on, bring them on. Well, we're finally onto another coin. I'm just wandering around the middle of the field really at the moment, just trying to find some odd spots. Looks like old William III. Oh, there's not much left on it. You can just see Britannia there. You might get a date off it. That's alright, still another coin. There we go. My next find's a little musket ball. You know, the field's showing all the right signs, but no ammonds or nothing like that, unfortunately. No, I don't find many ammonds really, but you know, when you're finding stuff like this and all them spindle walls, you know, there should be hammies here, really. But we'll see, time will tell. It's a different day today. I didn't find enough last night to make a video, so I've come back to the same field. Just stepped on it now, first target. George V. 1947. Is it? I think so. Yeah. That's not bad. It's a good start anyway. Right, got to get a bit of silver today. I want a silver coin today. So let's see what we can do. Alright, I'll see you at the next. Right, there's my other hole. And right by it, got another coin down there. Happy days. Be another Georgian then probably. Just give the wipe off. Yeah. Oh no. There it is. George 6 this one up. There we go. Nice one, 1938. What's that other one? Must have been 1927 then. Not 47. There we go. Two coins straight after each other. Cracking start. Well, here's the first for me. She's reading 81 this. Banging signal. Very shallow. We got an old pocket watch. Shame it's not a gold one. There we go. Still see all the bits inside there. Cool. Pleased with that. Clean him up, see how it comes out. There we go. That's another bucket lister. Excellent. My next find's a lovely little bag seal. Zoom in a bit so you can see it. Got an eagle on it. It's nice, huh? Like finding these. There we go. Excellent. Sully, do you want to lick it? Sully? There we go. Okay, we're on to another coin. Nice little Vicky. A bit worn that side's a bit better though. Hold on. There we go. 1863, that one. As you can see, Mrs. has come to join me with the dog. So, do you want to lick it? Lick the coin? No, you're not interested.
New cottages.
Okay, next find. Mrs. has got it. Oh, it's a old dog tag. Where was it writing about? Jasper, was it?
Casper.
Oh, Casper. The light's fading. It's getting late tonight, so I don't know if it's not gonna focus in properly. But it's, what was it? Casper or Jasper?
Casper.
Casper. So, old dog tag. There we go. Okay. Right, we're on to another coin. Completely and utterly toasted though. Nothing at all left on it. And up, dropped it. There we go. Still a coin though. Okay. Right, next find is this. It's getting really dark now and it's not focusing very well, but that looks like somebody on a horse. We've just been trying to figure it out. Can't really see it very well, to be honest, unless we're looking at it wrong and it's Britannia. It doesn't look like it. Definitely looks like somebody on a horse, that. Nothing on the front really, it's battered. But we'll clean them up and I'll take some better pictures because it just won't focus because the light's so bad. Oh, there we go. It is now. There we go. That definitely looks like somebody on a horse. I don't know. It's a first for me if it is. And there we go. Still an interesting find anyway. Right, we're just on the way back to the car now, nearly there. And this is the next signal. It's a lovely little weight. There we go. Zoom in a bit. That's better. How nice is that? What a lovely little find. Well, it's the same on both sides, so keep it that way. There we go. That's a cracking way to finish.